toughest one. Let's start. Which of the following graphs represent the lines 2x plus 4y equals to 8 and 3x minus 4y equals to 12? Now you'll have to either solve this 2x plus 4y equals to 8 and 3x minus 4y equals to 12. You solve this, or there is one faster way. That faster way is find which point is shown on these lines. See here, on this line what is shown? X is 0, x is 4 and y is 0. See here, for this you need a bit observation and study. X is 4 and y is 0. Therefore x equals to 4, y equals to 0. Put it in these two equations and check if they satisfy. So x is 4, y is 0. So 4 to the 8 and this is 0. So 8 equals to 8. Okay. Here 4 3 is 12 and y 0. So 12 equals to 12. Okay. So A satisfies. Now B. What is the intersection point? Which is this intersection point? 0 means x equals to 4 and y equals to. Now look at second equation, second graph. What is the intersection point for these two lines? Where do they intersect? They intersect at this point. What is this point? X equals to 4 again and y equals to 0. Why? Because this is 4 and this is on x axis, so y equals to 0. So again the same solution, 0, 4 comma 0. So does this satisfy this equation? Yes, it again. So A and B are correct. Now C. Now what is the solution for this? Where do they intersect? They intersect at 0, means x equals to 0, this point, right? And y equals to 3. So 0 comma 3. Put the values in this. 0 and y equals to 3. So 12 equals to 8. So not possible. So C is gone. About D. Where do they intersect? This is 1, x equals to 1 and y equals to say 2.5, right? So x equals to 1, y equals to 2.5. Try this. X equals to 1 in this and y equals to 2.5. So 2.5 into 4 is 10. 10 and this y x equals to 1. So 10 plus 2 12. That is not equal to 8. So D is also gone. So only two answers are possible, A and B. Okay. So answer is both A and B. Okay. Now one point which I feel that you might have not noticed or you might be misunderstanding. See here, some of you might think that these two equations are of these two lines, but that is not so. Or even for this line, these two equations are of these two lines. That is not so. See here, what does this question mean? These two lines intersect at this point, right? It means that even these two lines, see here, these two are separate set and these two are separate set. But the point is both the lines intersect at one point only. Means these two lines will be somewhere like this, 1, 2, and they intersect at over here. Or these two lines will be over here also, this, and they intersect at this point, 4. Right? That is the meaning of this. These equations are not the equations of these lines. Okay, only their intersection point is common. That's what the figure is or the question is. Although it's not part of that question, but the point is, what I feel is you must understand the things correctly and then only go. Otherwise what happens, just mugging up and getting marks in exams creates no value. Next is solve. Now it has